Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create your own YouTube thumbnail. So right now, let me show you what a thumbnail looks like. You see all these images you are seeing in front of this video. Before you click on it, these things are called thumbnail. All these things you are seeing, you see this thing you are seeing here. Before you click on this video, all these pictures you are seeing before you click on this video, they are called YouTube thumbnails. Look at them. All these images you are seeing, around here, all these things that makes this video look very good to you, or that creates awareness before you click on this video. These things are called thumbnails. All these things you are seeing here, you see this thing is thumbnail. All these things are thumbnails. You see all these are thumbnails. You see thumbnails, these are thumbnails, and this is it. So right now, let's go and let's learn how to create our own. These are people's own, so go and create yours. So let's go and create ours. So move straight to Canva. This Canva. So when we come to Canva, we'll go to the top here and we'll type YouTube thumbnail. Just thumbnail. You search for it, YouTube thumbnail, then you search. So right now you see they have pre-edited ones that you can just pick and re-edit them. You get pre-edited ones that you can just pick and re-edit them. So right now let's click on this one here and let's re-edit it. For me, I run a channel where you can use your smartphone and do a lot of things. So I'll be like talking about maybe 5 ways you can use your smartphone to create weight for yourself, or 5 ways you can. Let's just try to edit something here right now. Okay, looking at it, they say 5 best design tools. So I'll like 5 best let's use, okay, let's edit this. 5 ways. Let's edit 5 ways. Okay, 5 ways. 5 ways smartphone. Okay, I'm making something different here. Bring it in so that you just keep on resizing it. 5 ways smartphone. You size it, make sure it sets very well. You size it. You can use this here. Just make sure it sets very well. Put it at the center. You see, I'm setting it. I don't want his hand to cut it off. You get. So resize this. I want this to look a little bit small. Is this something a little bit smaller? Okay. Now we say 5 ways smartphone can build weight. Okay, now click on this and just draw it. Understand? Click on this thing here. You see, excuse me, click on this place. You see this thing and this page, just click on it and expand this so that everything you just wrote will come out. Then you click on the edge. You see this dot here, just click on it and bring it close. Understand? So that is it. So I still need to edit this. Still need to edit it. Let's click on edit. Okay, move this. No. Move it to W so that we can put W at the center. Okay, now look at it. I don't like this. Let's ungroup it. So we'll just duplicate it and wipe off this. Okay, yes, good one. We have wiped up this. Then come up, go to the next group and wipe off wet. So we have only what's remaining here now is only can build. Okay, click on can build and set it well, and go back, click on these words and bring it and place it down. You understand? So right now you see the both of them. Make it this one bold a little. You see, make it bold a little. Okay, so set everything very well in your own style or niche. Understand? Just move this. Okay, then click on words, move it around. Understand? Set it well at the center of can build and bring it down a little. Bring this down a little. Okay, good one. So right now you say 5 ways smartphone can build wealth. So I can just come up here and still do something like I'll duplicate this so that I can use it, duplicate and edit it. Can build wealth 2022. I'll just a bracket 2022. This is something that someone will see and the person will like, I need to click on this. Let me know, understand. Let me get to understand more how this works. You understand? Just come up here. You can just come up here and make it 2022. Like now, I want to move this. I like this, but this little image up here, I like it. Well, I need to. Okay, it's in the background. Okay, so let's check this 2022. Okay, but we're gonna let's start changing the colors right now. So I'm changing the color of this so that it look branding. Okay, let's change it. Let's change it. This. Okay, no. Red. The red look good. Red and this. Okay, let's use red. You know your colors, you know your branding colors. So everybody has a branding color. So you know the color you like using for your channel. So let's use red here. Red. Let's use red. Okay. So that is it. So you can change anything. You see this image up here. I can change the color if I wish. If I don't want, I leave it. But I like the color that way. So this is it. So you can change anything here. If you want to change the color of this, you can see change the color. You just go to color. You change it. If you want to change it to red, you want to change it to any color. You see, you can change the color anytime, anywhere. But I like the white. Yes, I like the white. I don't want to change the color. I like the white and I like the smartphone blue, those stuffs. I like it that way. Understand? So you can also bring a smartphone image and place. You can change the image. You see this image right here, I can change it. See, you can remove it around. You see, you can change it. So it's easy, you can change it. So don't need to worry about that. You can change anything you see here. Anything you don't like, you can change it. So once you are done doing it the way you want it, this is what we call the thumbnail. So once you are done doing it the way you want it, you just come up here and click on the save icon up here and save it. So click on this, and once you click on it, we'll click on save. So you save it right now. So once it saves up, and that is it for it. So that is it. So it's saving up. It's just preparing our design. So you see right now it's have saved up. Congratulations, it's have saved up. So you can you have it right now in your gallery. You can go to your gallery and access it. So that is it. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to upload the thumbnail to your channel or to your video. So meet me in the next video and I'll show you how to do that. Thank you and see you in the next video.